Hi everything, this is the Depressed Cook and today we're filming from my parents' home and we're cooking a Sarawakian favorite, pucuk manis tumis telur. This plant has many names here in Malaysia like Sauropus androgynous, katuk, sweet leaf, pucuk manis, sayur manis, cekur manis, cangkok manis and cincong. So my father has just picked them from the garden and he's now helping me to strip the leaves off from the stem. The stems are not eaten but sometimes used by mothers to whip disobedient children. To help it cook faster and tender and to make it easier to chew, you can tear the leaves into smaller pieces like this. Rinse the leaves and then drain them. Some people like to squeeze out the green juice but I don't. Okay, thanks for your help, Dad. I'm now in their garden collecting little Sarawakian chili peppers. Okay, Mom is asking for a few more. Alright, we're going to chop the chilies on my mother's cute little chopping block using my father's very sharp vegetable chopper. Now smash and chop some garlic like a Chinese chef wannabe. You can see that I'm handling that sharp chopper very carefully. Okay, break and beat some eggs. We bought the eggs from a farm just that morning, so they're quite fresh. There is no need to salt the eggs. Okay, dah lah tu. Macam seronok pula kocok-kocok ni kan. The obligatory gas flame shot that I cannot do at home on my induction stove. Right, heat some cooking oil and saute the chili and garlic. Add the leaves and chicken stock seasoning. Very important if you're trying to achieve that restaurant dish outcome. Stir fry for a bit. To help it cook properly and to make it tender, add some water. For seasoning, a bit of oyster sauce, salt, and sugar. Stir fry over medium-high heat. So after tasting, I decided it wasn't restaurant enough, so I'm adding a bit more MSG powder. After the vegetables are cooked, make a space in the middle and add a bit more cooking oil. Oh, by the way guys, please support the channel by liking and sharing, it really helps make me less depressed, thanks. Pour your eggs in and lightly scramble them. If you like it a bit more moist, you can add a bit of water here. Stir fry for a bit, but don't overcook the eggs so that they remain tender. Alright, it's done now. Scoop it up into a pretty little dish that your mother likes to see. I also had to make a soup with the vegetables because just like most Southeast Asian families, a soupy dish is a must during meals. Okay, that's my parents and I enjoying our simple dinner with a lot of fiber, just the way they like it, with a nice soup that my father very much enjoyed. Thank you for staying with the video. See you again soon with that 200 subscriber video I promised. Bye.